Hello everyone, welcome to Wolfsack. Today we're gonna learn if statement in Python. So there are three tasks here. First one is how to find if a number is positive or negative using if statement in Python. Second one is Python script to find if someone is eligible for vote or not. Third one is Python script to find if number is even or odd. So let's get into this one by one. So first is to find a number is positive or negative. So let's go. Number is equal to, it should be integer. Then we will say input to give an input, and with double inverted commas we will say enter the number, right? Okay, and now we can also do print number, right? So to check, okay, to check if it is good so far, print number. Okay, now if number is less than 0, then it will do print number is negative, right? And like elif, that is the statement we use else if in place of else if elif number is greater than 0, print number is positive, right? Okay, that's done. And for the third case we will say, okay, if the number is equal to 0, so we will only write here else print number is is big fat 0, right? Okay, so let's run this program and check. So it's asking for enter the number. I entered 8, right? Number is positive. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, uh, enter the number. I will do -2. Okay, wait a minute. -2. Number is negative. And let's do our 0. If number is 0 case, 0, and it shows number is big fat 0. So that was our first case. I hope you got it, like its syntax and all. Let's go for the second case, which says to find if someone is eligible for vote or not. So what we need here, it should be age, right? So enter the age, right? Print age, and from here, okay, I'm gonna write it again. If age is less than 18, right, which is an age in most of the countries, right? Print candidate, candidate is eligible to vote. So, and you can write else, because there are only two possible cases, else Why it's showing line here? Okay. We will see it later. Else print. Okay, I got it. Why? Because it should be always in small letters, right? Okay. Oh boy. Print. I'm doing a lot of mistakes today. Print candidate is not eligible to vote. Oh no 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 no. If age is less than 18, candidate is not eligible to vote, and otherwise candidate is eligible to vote. Oh my god. Okay, that was just 4 5 lines, and we did it here. Let's run it. Enter the age. Okay, 18. I wrote it 18. It's a tricky one. Candidate is eligible to vote. Okay, let's do 3 years. No, 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 no. Candidate is not eligible to vote. So that's how it goes. And now we will go with our third program. What was it? I forgot. If number is even or odd. Okay. Once again, we will go with number, integer, input, enter the number. Okay. Print number. Okay. Now how we will find this? If number is divisible by 2 and result is coming equal to like reminder 0, so what are we gonna print? We're gonna print number is an even number, else number is an odd number. Oh no, run 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 run. 3, number is an odd number. Or let's go with another one that says, okay, 8, number is an even number. So there we go. That's how we'll that's how we will do our if statement in Python. Sorry. Later on we gonna do some other projects, whatever we have learned so far, our arithmetic operations or like mathematical operations, if statement, and we will also explore loops like while loop. And yeah, with each video we're gonna increase our standard and we're gonna make more complex projects. So thanks for watching. I hope you're gonna support my channel, you're gonna subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, let me know whatever you want to learn next or you have any questions. Thank you. Bye bye.